Hi, we're now in Lombok. So in this village, there are 600 families, and we have donated 6 toilets. So here today, we're going to come and observe how they built. So the villagers have to contribute in using the manpower, and then we're going to see what they're doing here. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Wow. Hey, go.
The concrete ring we're going to put inside after digging the ground. Let's see. So we've requested that they dig deep.
Selang.
Oh wow! How many rings are we putting? 4. 4. Oh wow! How many meters is this? 2 meters. Good. So the deeper they go, the longer we can use the toilet. So now they're going to lower this concrete ring. In this village, this one will be like 2 meters. So we're going to stack 4 rings. Yeah. So this common toilet can be used for a long time by the villagers. So you can see that the houses around here are broken. So this guy is going to keep doing this 4 times. Oh wow. So this is just the foundation. So after putting this, we're going to have provide them with zinc sheets and the toilet door, and then they're going to build. So the villagers will have to contribute by building them, and we'll also it will be finished with the squat toilet bowl here. So we'll share. There are some images on my Facebook. So if you were to take a look, you will understand the designs and the toilets that we built here. So he's just putting the first ring. It's going to be 4. So as you can see around here, the houses are mostly damaged, and the village women are just using the bushes, the river. Let me show you where they use now. So behind me, you'll see they mostly use the nature toilet, and the river is really dangerous for the women and the children. So having a common toilet, it gives them dignity as well, and they feel safe when they use the toilet. So come on and check some of the posts I'll be sharing over the next few days on the existing toilet that we have built. We'll continue to do more assessment and to check where are the other villages that is needing help. And thank you so much for the donors and friends who have contributed to making this project possible. Thank you.
Kalinya. Terus mendas kapan? Sudah sana. Tepatnya dia ya. Kan tinggal 1 kan? Tinggal 1 ya. Ya makanya nanti. Kalau sudah dilihat bisa kira-kira lokasi